Got a comparison video for you guys for this modern LoveSeat sofa that I just bought. My brother and I just did some product research. We bought this, and I wanted to do a comparison video, just comparing it to most other LoveSeat sofas in this type of category. So I went ahead and put together 3 points on giving you an idea of comparing this to most other stuff, so you can just make a quick buying decision. So first of all, big weight capacity and sturdy build. This LoveSeat is designed to support 750 pounds. Typically, especially when you're in more of a budget category of like sofa and LoveSeat, you're maybe getting 500 to 600 pound capacity. So this is definitely has that sturdy vibe. So I think it's well worth it because of that alone. It also indicates that it's for 2 people, but if you look at it, it's like this is an oversized LoveSeat. So you got more than enough room along with that weight capacity. Number 2, when comparing this to most others, removable washable covers and breathable, I don't know how to say this word, Chenille, that's not right. Chenille. Well, anyways, it is a very soft fabric. It's very soft. They have a lot of cool colors. We really like this one. But it's also easy to clean. So you can easily, there's zippers. I don't really want to take the whole thing apart, but let's see. Yeah, like there's zippers. You can see right in here. Oh, they do have zippers on that. Yeah, so there's zippers on everything. So you can remove this and put it in the wash, which is very cool. So, that's nice. That's nice for sure. So I see why that's important. Number 3, easy assembly and comfort-focused design. First of all, let's speak on the comfort. This thing is very comfortable. It's nice and deep. What do you say? It's like 32 inches deep, and it's 71. I think it's like 71 inches wide, 71.25 or something like that. It's just got dude, it is super comfy. Great for like lounging, relaxing, laying down if you want. And also easy assembly. So you won't believe it when you order this. Comes in 2 boxes. You can't believe that there's a couch in these 2 boxes, and there is. The assembly is incredibly easy. Not a lot of crazy screws. It's some very simple and easy assembly, and it goes together really fast. My brother and I put it together probably like 10 minutes or less. Probably like around 10 minutes, something like that. Super easy to put together though. So those are the 3 points. The other thing I would just say is, dude, if you look at the number on the product page and then you think about how this looks, like this is a modern, higher end design, especially with that kind of like wide modern armrest there. It's just got a cool vibe, dude. When you compare this to most other sofas, you look at the number on the product page, this is asinine. I don't know how the company's even making money on this, but I'm glad I was able to get it.